welcome to a day in my life. So today is Sunday the 29th of November, and I'm going to film and put this all up on as my Sunday video. There is a very big reason I can't put this week's weekly vlog up. I forgot to do a weekly vlog. So I'm doing a day in my life. I've been very busy this week. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm wearing my lovely Tala. I seem to, like, all I wear is Tala. So this next to me is a stripy top, a glove, and my black leggings. Guess where I'm going today? It's currently 10:20 in the morning. I'm going to do some washing up because I need to wash up my flask from a week ago. Because I forgot and it's on my shelf, and suddenly I realised yesterday that I haven't washed it up. I've got to give my room a tidy, but I need to take my bin out first. I've just done my teeth. So basically, I have a very strict routine when doing my teeth. I have no idea why I'm going to tell you this, but I use my tiny toothbrush to like brush my teeth to get like all the dirt off, with my like sensitive toothpaste, and then I have a Wisdom electric toothbrush, so I do 60 seconds on the first and then a minute and a half with the second. Oh, it's because where my window is where the drains are, so you can hear that sometimes. I just heard that was a flip. And then I do a minute and a half with my electric toothbrush going all over my teeth, and my teeth feels a bit weird now, but the reason I do that is, the reason that I've done it today is because this week was period week, so I've had my period, and for a while now it's happened, but when I'm on my period, one thing I just can't do, it makes me, I don't know if it's the feeling of it, if it's the taste of it, there are certain things I can't do when I'm on my period, and brushing my teeth is actually one of those. So sometimes I just, if I'm with James and stuff, of course but like, because this week has A, been so busy, B, I'm always wearing a mask, so it kind of doesn't matter, but it is my mouth health, and but sometimes like I just like, so I've just done my teeth, I feel much better, I'm all ready to go, almost. I'm just going to do a bit of a clean up, and I've got a rehearsal from 12 till 2, so I'm going to leave early, pop to the girls and see if AJ wants to come with us, because she said she would help us, so let's see if she's ready.
I just remember being in there at like 9 at night. I thought it was about 7 gentlemen then. Okay. So, no, it isn't.
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh, no, it isn't.
Oh, yes, and then the actor generally gets pissed off. Like, no, it's not.
Oh, I don't know who it is. Oh.
Right, are we ready?
Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay.
Have you got the temp? No, just leave it on the floor.
Oh,
Have
you
you
go in the
pick
press.
it up or something in?
Are you going from the beginning?
Yeah, because we need to work on the fight scene.
Hang on.
Just shove it on your chair, and then you can run out. Is that cold?
No, I'm just bent around.
Sorry. Back to the beginning.
Yep, let's get rid of the ad.
3, 2, 1. going to turn this off. That was 6 minutes. She's back. Are you alive? How's the thumb? It's okay.
By the way.
It's hurting. Let's see.
Is it dead?
I mean, it's bleeding quite a bit.
So this is the fatality from this little piece of.
It's mean.
That's the murder weapon.
Hello, gorgeous. Right. We're now going to take some. No, can we put that back on the floor? Because we're going to take some saucy pics with the devil, which is the death monster, aka the tape measure.
Oh, it won't stop bleeding.
Hello. So I'm home. I'm going to put you on time lapse, but I'm going to do a whole load of cooking. I'm going to make some banana bread because I've got a whole bag of bananas going bad. I'm going to cook some chicken. I'm going to cook some bacon, make a carbonara. See you in a minute. It's currently 26 and I only just stopped cooking and I came in at 3. Spent 2 hours cooking, but it has been productive. I cooked a load of, I had a load of boneless thighs in my freezer, which I defrosted, so I needed to cook those off. So I've cooked those off, chopped up all the chicken because I'm going to make a sweet and sour chicken tomorrow. Then I made a carbonara sauce this evening, but I haven't cooked the spaghetti because it was 3 o'clock when I cooked that. So I've used up all like the cheese, and then I went to use my grated cheese and it turned out it was mouldy. So I used that about 4 days ago, which probably means I've eaten mouldy cheese. Oops. And then I'm so proud of myself. I've made banana bread. There is a hunk off because it's just here. I've made banana bread, but it's banana with flaked coconut in it. Oh my god, it smells good. So I've used 2 of the mashed bananas, I've used 2 of the bananas that I need to use. So it seems like that came out pretty well. What I'm going to do is use the rest of the bananas in mini little banana cupcakes or banana bread muffins. That is what I shall do. But I got these loaf tins and I got a loaf from Poundland. I thought, oh, it's going to be rubbish. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to go eat and chill, and then I've got to tidy my room this evening because it is a tip again. Let's do this. So, first taste of my own banana bread. If I may say so myself, I'm pretty happy. That is really decent. Hello, so it's currently 20 to 7 in the evening. I'm going to finish this vlog here, try and get it up by 8. I've had my banana bread, my chicken sandwich. I'm going to have my carbonara tomorrow. I'm working early in the morning, so I've got to get up, got to get ready. I've got to get all my work stuff ready in a minute, so I'm going to do all that, but finish the vlog, get it up, and I will see you tomorrow.